How to delete Google or Gmail account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any of your Gmail account services. I'm going to launch the Google Play Store and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see the option of manage your Google account. So let's tap on the option of manage your Google account over here. As you tap on manage your Google account, it will land us to a new page where you'll be able to see different options. So let's wait until the options pop up, and also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So now we have landed onto new page. So what you simply need to do is tap on the option of data and privacy over here. So let's tap on data and privacy and scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of delete your Google account. So if you want to delete Gmail account permanently, tap on delete your Google account and simply select on your profile, and you just have to verify yourself and you'll be able to delete your Google account permanently. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.